Information about Aesculus flava. Aesculus flava, also known as the yellow buckeye, is a species of tree in the soapberry family, Sapindaceae. It is native to the eastern United States, where it can be found in the Appalachian Mountains from Pennsylvania to Georgia. The tree can grow up to 80 feet tall and has a rounded crown with a trunk diameter of up to 3 feet. The bark is gray and smooth when young, but becomes rough and scaly with age. The leaves are palmately compound, with 5 to 7 leaflets that are lance-shaped and sharply toothed. The flowers are yellow, bell-shaped, and arranged in upright clusters that can reach up to a foot long. The fruit is a large, shiny brown nut that is enclosed in a prickly husk. Aesculus flava prefers moist, well-drained soils and can grow in full sun or partial shade. It is commonly planted as an ornamental tree in parks and gardens due to its attractive flowers and foliage. However, the nuts are poisonous if ingested, and the tree can be susceptible to a number of pests and diseases, including leaf blotch, powdery mildew, and scale insects.